Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Vitamin C Sheet Mask Zudio Full Guide. Start with clean skin and gentle exfoliation to help active ingredients absorb. Pat skin dry, then align the sheet with eyes, nose, and mouth, smoothing out air pockets for full contact. Leave the mask for the recommended 10 to 20 minutes and avoid talking or stretching the sheet to keep it in place. Prepare for the mask by cleansing thoroughly and using a mild exfoliant if needed to remove surface dead skin. Apply a toner to balance pH and improve serum uptake, then wait a moment so skin is slightly damp but not wet. Keep hair away from your face and have a towel handy to pat any excess serum after removal. Ready your environment so you can relax during the treatment for best results. Open the sachet and unfold the sheet mask with clean hands, then line it up starting at the forehead and working down to chin for a snug fit. Smooth out any air bubbles so the serum contacts skin evenly and relax while it works. After the allotted time, remove the sheet and softly massage leftover serum into skin. If needed, dab a little extra where you want more hydration before finishing with moisturizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.